Hello, Mr. Obioha. I am at the word suggestions and
Yes.
I see this word because it's a head word and I want to change it to Ogene.
Okay.
What do I do? Do I come here and click edit and start working on it?
No, you don't go there to click edit yet. You need to confirm if Ogene exists already as a sufficient word, a complete word, or an insufficient word in this section, in the words suggestions section.
Okay, how do I do that?
To do that, you search in this, you type Ogene in the search bar, yes. It should populate Ogene in any form it's in, yes.
Okay, I see Ogene here.
Yes. So it's showing insufficient.
So
So it
that
means that the
means,
only Ogene available is insufficient.
okay, thank you. And then I can now come here and edit this and start working on Ogene.
Yes. Yes. You may not want to start working on Ogene yet. You need to confirm if Ogene exists as a word in the dictionary,
Okay, how do I
right?
do that?
Yeah. So to do that, you go to words, click, and then type Ogene in the search bar to see if Ogene exists there.
Okay, there is Ogene. So that means I should not work on this word.
Yes, so we have Ogene already, so you should not worry about Ogene.
If it did not exist, what do I do?
So if you didn't find it here, then it means that you are free to go back to word suggestions and work on the Ogene that's insufficient.